record. Okay, then so in the last class, what we learned, so we'll see that one. Meanwhile, I'm installing this new PC, so I can show you what is if you confuse with your part because I said don't log in here in a browser, okay? Because if I log in and you are also log in parallelly, it won't give you login thing. Either I'm failed to log in or you will fail to log in. Like this confusion will occur. Okay. But if you want to create your own repository, you want to do your own project kind of stuff, then also you can create a new project. Means you can create your own sign in option. Okay, so you can go to sign in thing and then sign up once. Then you can go to your profile and all. You can fill this your information. Next, you can go to this plus mark. You can create a new repository. Import repository means someone is created, you put it, or you want to create a project. You want to go with the organization like that. So, like we can create it. So this is your repository part. Okay. Already I showed Karthik KK, right? Karthik KK thing. That is a execute automation. So you can go to if you want anybody's others public things, and then also you can go. mm, so see automatically if you are there, I will go to EA execute automation. So EA or it's electronic art. Yeah, here it is execute automation. So this is his Karthik KK's one. Can you see here it is a 173 contributors in the last year. So different contributors also there. For example, you want to start a business or you want to develop a open source application, and alone you can't able to do it, right? So open source means different source thing. You have to build a main source file and then share it with GitHub and tell others what is going on, how to integrate it. Like your friends are there very interested in developing some application, so there are in a different areas, so then you can integrate into one simple thing. Okay, so it is like a open test project, open ssd. So I will go to, he has a 52 public repositories. This is Jenkins pipeline. Okay, he created some Java SDK, Selenium with Cucumber. Okay, so like you want to do a testing kind of projects, like you can do it, and he will also explain how to do it. Okay, what is this Selenium, right? So Selenium with Cucumber, and this is a readme.md is there, no? So like a readme file. So what is there, or what is the use of this one, and where to connect it? Okay, and how to execute it, or anything information about your application you want to put it in readme file, and you can able to put it. Okay. Mm. This is I want this one actually. This is Jenkins one, so it is very good. So we will this one will see the tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Like if you can take anyone's project and you can able to execute in your PCs also. Okay, like this, take a code, clone it, and use it. But if you want to upload something to it, you need a password of his account. Okay. Okay. Selenium. Okay, guys. What we are discussed till now. So only uploading a file or downloading a file, right? So in a CTS 2020, right? So if you see here, it is my JP basic. So a lot of people put a Java, Python files inside also. Okay. For example, if I take any application like a Hello Java, so this is the program code, and I put it. So I want to put some program code in my thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder. This is new project again. Okay, so I'm giving a CTS CTS1, CTS1 and Java project. Okay, CTS1 Java project, something, a folder, it is just a folder. Okay, and I'm going to create a Java file here. Okay, so I'm going to remove everything, and I'm putting name is like CTS Java project .java. So I created a Java project which is don't have anything. It is don't have anything. So I'm a lazy fellow. So then I copying from here. Okay, so don't worry. It's a syntax. Here in a class, I didn't define which class it is, public class or private class. It's just a class, but I'm giving a same name must be given. Otherwise, sometimes it will throw errors. Okay, so you can define like a private class or public class. Just it's a class. It's also enough. Okay. Actually, this is usually it is look like that one. This is capital S only. Okay, this is the structure. I want to print a statement. That's it. Okay. So welcome to Java project. It is there. I put a different name in quotations. Okay, so I put a CTS1 2020 Java projects. So this says welcome to or anything, hello or anything you can give. Okay, so like Git projects, Git Java projects are like that. You can also give. You can. It is your wish to do whatever like you want to do it. Welcome to Git, or you can give /n. So it is printed in the next line. Now I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it. I saved it. I'm going to minimize this one. So I saved it. Close it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to see. If you open like this, it is open here. If you got a column, then you can use CMD, and then we have to change the directory. Now first I want to give Java. Okay, Java and the Java file cts.java file. Okay, could not find load or Java main class is not loading. So there is a problem with this thing. Okay, so edit CTS Java project name is correct, right? So CTS Java project. Here we don't need to do anything. Just we should give this one as CTS. This is CTS1, but this is CTS only, right? Java project. Correct only. So I didn't give in anything wrong. So I will try again. So a lot of things are open. So I will close all these things. So you won't get confusion between this and that. So not find or load main class CTS. So I will use public class Java project. Only, so there's no column in this one. So public class. I don't know. Or maybe problem with my Java. Otherwise, it won't execute, right? So if I have a problem with Java, then it won't execute. I'll check it once again. My Java code. This is correct only. Hello.java. This class Java. Public static void main args. System alarm. This is the column. So this is correct only for the static void. Otherwise, use one. What happening to this one? So Python is easy. This is extra. Okay. So I will remove this thing. Someone sending a message. Actually, yeah, upper underscore. Okay. Capital C. Again, you have to rename this. Okay. This is again we have to use this one. Now it's not working. So rename. I will use simple name. C T S JP1. JP is enough. So okay. So then I'm going to edit. So CTS JP. Okay. You don't need to use a public also. You can use public or you need to use a public. It's not a. So here it is also there. Okay. Java. Maybe coding is wrong or Java for compiling. Java I can see or Java is that's enough. Because I've done so many times. So don't face problems. Could not find loan or a main class. Okay. So guys, we have already Eclipse is there. We use Eclipse then. Okay, it will take time, and we can use a PyCharm also. My point is how to upload a running program and download and how to integrate with the different computers like that. Okay. So what about this one? Yeah, it is finished installation. Use Express settings. Let it work. Meanwhile, no, not this one. This is saved, right? So error could not find load or a main class. So main class is not there, right? Already I got this problem. Then I solved it. Okay, maybe class path column. Not there, right? This is not required. My program is absolutely correct. I want to go to the last one. So many are there or what? 7 months ago, 12 months ago. Java, basic Java 1. Yeah, same thing. I didn't use anything extra. This is divided to like this only. So there is a note at all column. I didn't use cap letters. I use small letters only. See, small letters only. Nothing. Yeah, right, guys. My command is wrong. So it's Java C. It's not Java. It is Java C. My command is wrong. Okay, so when I put a Java C, this one, yeah, it will create a class. Can you see? Class. Automatically, it will create it. Okay, so I thought it is something. That's why I said. So now you don't need to give any extension, Java or class kind of stuff. Just give Java this one. Now it is welcome to Git, and then it is showing this one. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so how to do then? What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this Java class. Okay, now this is correct one. Now I'm going to put it into my GitHub. Okay, so I'm going to put this one into GitHub. So if I want to create a new project, I can create a new project. Otherwise, I use a existing one. So anything I can use it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link. Okay, I can. So otherwise, I will create new one. So I will show you how to create new one. Okay, so already I showed. So I'm going to create a new repository. So I'm giving this folder name only for make it more easier. Okay, so it won't create an extra folder then. So then I put this folder. Then I'm going to create a repository. Now it is showing options, right? So echo like this, Java CMD like this, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm already in this same folder, right? So I don't need to do anything extra. So I'm going to use this one only. So what first one is Git initiated. So first one is we have to initiate Git. Okay, first I'm going to initiate the Git thing. So automatically, yeah, it is open. Very good. Yeah, here is my folder, right? So this is my file. So first my folder thing, my local repository. So initiating Git is completed. Git add dot. So I'm adding it. Next is Git commit, right? So Git commit -m, and it's like so first commit. Anything you can put it as a commit. So in our it is completed. Now we should put this one into our repository which we created. Okay, so this is the link. So copy this link. Okay, copy this link and git remote add So remotely I'm adding to central repository, right? So git remote add origin and give this link. Now this link is added to our local repository file. Okay, so this thing will be added to our local repository file. Right. Okay, it is added, but nothing will be changed here until unless you push the thing. So nothing is changed until unless you push the your configuration. So I'm putting a git push hyphen u. U means what are the user I'm using internally, like a Latif Sansar I'm using on my user, right? So that is I am using. So push into origin master. Now my configuration files is going to be origin master. Okay. Now, so I have to go to check this one, refresh. Now my git is came up. Okay. So my git is, I got a file here. So you can check it. This is my file. Okay. So something I nothing is there. Something it's like a file. Okay. This is my file. You can see how many when it is done and how many commits it is happened also. If you want to add a read-only file, all that kind of stuff, it is there. Now I put into central repository, right? So I put in the central repository. What I want to do is I want that existing code. I want that existing code, and then I will modify the existing code and I will upload. Got it? Where is this? New. Okay. So I took folder wise. Okay. If still having a issue, then I will take a machine wise. Okay. This is central repository. Here I uploaded the code, right? So the Java project kind of stuff, I put it here. I develop here in this folder and I put it here. Now I will take this from here. I will take this from here and I will modify and upload it back to same location. Okay. So what I done? So I develop a code here and I integrate into my Java, my central repository from, and now I will download it to another folder and I do some changes and I will upload it to back to the previous one. So this step. Okay. So just it means like I done one part. What to do? Your part. What to do? So that's my point. Okay. So here I'm minimizing everything, and only thing I want this link. I want this link. I'm copying this link because already it is there. I'm copying that link, and I'm going to git pull this folder. So just git pull folder. Go to command prompt. Okay, go to command prompt, and I'm typing what is git pull. We can use it, or git clone also we can use it. I use git clone. Now it's a cloning. Now can you see automatically the entire folder is came here. Okay. Now cd cts. So I'm giving a folder. So I'm inside a folder, and what is there? Sorry. What is there? This is the file is there. So can you see? This is the file inside of this one. Okay. Now I want to execute it. For example, one part, small part I said, I want to execute here and I want to develop. So two both the things I want to do it. So how to execute, you know, right? Already. So Java C, because Java always should be compile. If you compile, then only class will be Java dot class will be, so the dot class will be created. So I done see class is created. Now I want to execute that class, right? CTS, sorry, like this. Now I given like this. So then I got a my execute. It is got executed. Good, very good. Now I'm going to delete this class. So not required that class. Okay, so I deleted permanently. Now what I want to do is I want to develop something inside this file, or maybe I want to add new thing to this file. Both the things you can do it. Otherwise, I'm going to create a new one. Okay, so I'm going to rename this one. Okay, so who Latif? No hyphens. Hyphen we may give a column also. You can use underscore. Hyphen I don't know. So I'm going to edit this existing code into like this. Okay, so actually this is enough. Okay, so like this. Okay, and like this is already there. So I'm going to remove new Java file by Latif. Something just a new file, and this is Latif I given. So my main class and my file name is now same. Okay, and I give a new Java file by Latif. Okay, and you want to give anything extra also, you can give like system dot out dot print ln. I think so, guys. We have a very less time. So okay. Um, 5. Okay. Anything? I'm going to save this one just for understanding only. I'm going to save this one. Now I have a 2 files, right? I have a 2 files. So what I have to do? I have to do a remaining part like a git. Inet is not required already there. Just we have to add it. Add is completed, and we have to do commit, right? Okay, CTS JP Latif by Latif. Okay, I done a commitment. Now git remote is not required. Actually, just you can put a push -u origin master. Why remote is not required? Remote add that entire link is not required because we are cloned it. It is already that information is here in this file. Okay, completed. Then we have to go to here and verify. Now new file is there. Okay, if you want to see what is the file content also, we can able to see it. So this is continuous development, and also I will show you continuous development in a different ways. But I want to see the time. We have 5 minutes to disconnect, guys. So once it is disconnected, take 10 minutes break. You want 10 minutes or 15 minutes? Please tell me. So we'll take 10 minutes or 15 minutes break, and then so it will be disconnected almost 4:41. Come back at 4:15. Okay, we'll continue. I will show you the a few points, and then we'll finish this one. So remaining, you can able to do it. Okay. So meanwhile, what happened to my machine also important, right? Okay. So I don't want any other account. I want local account. I put a admin 2. Password is not required, so I will give password later if it is required. Okay. Okay. So if you have a problem with the installation of Java or Git, and how to do yourself, like I told you should not upload, download kind of stuff. If you got any other problem, then also I will try to give more clarify. So then I created a new one. Okay. So this is I will do. This is what you will do, that I will try to explain for a Git part only. Or maybe you miss the configuration or installation, I will explain in this part. Okay. Of course, Jenkins, tomorrow I will tell Jenkins, but today I want to show you a few things to you. Okay, this is Eclipse. I want to create a new project. I think so I didn't create any project. Okay, so I want to create a new project. new project, not any other project, just new project. Java simple project I want to create. I don't want to create any other thing. Java simple project. Next, I want to give a name for the project file name. So I want to give file name. Okay. So I will get git project 1. Okay. So I give a git project 1. Next. Oh, we are about to disconnect. Okay. So next part I will tell this one. Okay. So no need to change anything. Just finish it. Okay. Open perspective or something it is showing also. And no, not required. Just yeah, it is always give. Okay. So how much time it will taking? Yeah, I got this one. So we don't need a welcome kind of stuff. This is Git project 1, SRC. Okay, this is libraries. So if you are very new, then it is new. If you already know, then it is already known. That's the simple thing. Now I'm going to create a Java class. The name of the Java class is hello Git, not Git, Git. Then I want to put a main class also. Finish. I don't know how much time we have. Okay, so 1 minute. So meanwhile, I will put something here. Okay. System.out println. Okay. So I put a hello, comma Git. So that's it. Put it. So now understand why I like Python. It's a very simple one, Python thing. Okay, why I told how to upload from Eclipse to Git and how to download from Git to Eclipse. So we'll see that one once we are done with the break. Okay, come back at 4:15. So even I put some tea, masala tea, and something black tea anyway. So I will be back. Meanwhile, have a fun. Okay. So take 15 minutes break. But meanwhile, I want to go someplace in this one, Eclipse workspace, Git. Okay.